Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Arul Woodwork. Before watching my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon. You can continuously get my video updation. In this video, I am going to teach how to cut the circle in perfect way using the hand cut zigzag machine in plywood. Before watching my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. You're seeing the thumbnail and then you're going to see about the output. I have cutted the circle design. Before watching my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Then only you get the continued video updation from my channel. The second video I am speaking in English. I have some lot of grammatical error while I am speaking English. Next time onwards I try to improve my English onwards. The plywood we are going to cut this design using the hand zigzag machine. First of all, what you have to do means first of all I have to keep my camera in perfect position, then only I can record it clearly. And then I kept the plywood in my stools and using the C clamp I tied it, and then I started cutting the circle. Because why I want to tell you something, I have two types of zigzag machine in my shop. One is heavy duty zigzag machine, another one is this hand cut machine. Mostly I cut the design only in hand cut zigzag machine because it very easy to handle and easy to bend. My father is always cut the heavy duty zigzag machine only because he was well practice in that machine. He can easily cut it. If I do this circle cutting, it means it will become, the circle is not will come circle, it will become a square. That's why I always cut the designs only in my hand cut zigzag machine. In most of the video also you are watching, I am cut the belt design only in a hand cut only, but my father was only cutting in heavy duty zigzag machine. There is a lot of video I uploading about the hand cut zigzag machine and heavy duty zigzag machine. If you want to watch that video, I have link in my top of the video and description I give the link. If I anything speak wrongly in English, please suggest it. Next time onwards, definitely I try to improve my English and speak it clearly.
எங்கேயோ இருக்கிற ஆளுக்கும் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற ஆளுக்கும் வித்தியாசம் இல்லை. அரே வீர்பாய், வீர்பாய் சாப்பிட்டியான்னு கேட்டான். நீ பஸ்ல பார்க்க சொன்ன எங்களுக்கே போன ஏறிடுதுப்பா. வீர்பாலு கரெக்டா அந்த டைம் தான் வராங்க. டைம் கொடுங்க.
அங்க இறக்கி நிக்கறாங்க, நீ சாப்பிடுங்க. கீழ டெஸ்ட் ஆகும்.
இதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணும் வராது.
Finally, the circle cuts are done. This is the thumbnail of my video, and then we are going to watch the output. This is the output. We are going to see the circle cut is come perfectly, but some scratches over the around the circle because of it commonly comes from the plywood during the cutting. We can use the emery sheet to clean all these scratches around the circle. It will perfectly good. Watch my full video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, bye.